Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger couldn't send the message problem. So there are some solution to it. The first one is you need to check in Play Store if there is any update or not. So go for Play Store and search for Messenger in the top search bar. Just check if there is any update or not. If there is any update, just update it immediately. There is another solution to it. If your internet connection is not okay, or if it sometimes cannot get access, the problem may occur. So you need to make sure your internet is okay. Now the third solution is you need to just go to your Messenger in the settings app. Now just go for apps and click on manage apps, and in the top search bar search for Messenger. Now here in the app, just click on force stop in the bottom left and click on OK. Now here you can see in the bottom right clear data, just click on it and click on clear cache. Now if your Messenger is still not working, you can just uninstall it and you can install it again. And before doing that, you can log out to your account and log in again, and after doing that your problem will be solved. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.